Good evening, student. Today start chapter number 1. Chapter number 1.2 remember. Okay, chapter number 1.2 remember. Point number 1. Computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device with high processing speed and huge storage capacity which can performs various operations at a time. Clear? Point number 1. Computer is an electronic device with high processing speed and huge storage capacity which can perform various operations at a time. Point number 2. The fathers of computing is known as Charles Babbage. Okay. The fathers of computing is known as Charles Babbage. And point number 3. Charles Babbage is 19th century design analytical engine. Okay. Point number 3. Charles Babbage is 19th century's design electrical engine. And point number 4. The UNIVAC and ANIVAC computer are example of first generation computing device. Okay. Point number 4. The UNIVAC and ANIVAC computers EANIC, UNIVAC and EANIC computer are example of first generation computing device. Okay, UNIVAC and EANIC. UNIVAC and EANIC computer are example of first generation computing device. And Lady Ada Lovelace, Lady Ada Lovelace is known as the first programmer in computer history. Okay, next point number 6. Tablet of the following use the organization appointment and daily schedule. Tablet of the following is used to organize appointment and daily schedule. Okay, generation of computer. First generation 1940 to 1956 vacuum tube, and second generation 1956 to 1963 transistor. Okay, and third generation 1964 to 1971 integrated circuit means IC. Okay, next fourth generation 1972 to 2010 microprocessor, use microprocessor this generation. Okay, then fifth generation present and beyond artificial intelligence. Fifth generation present and beyond artificial intelligence generation of computer. Okay, next full form IC means integrated circuit. IC means integrated circuit. And point number 2, AI means artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. And point number 3, GUI, graphical user interface. Graphical user interface, Windows. Okay, then CUI means graphic character user interface. DOS में use होगा. Okay, use for DOS. And GUI used for Windows graphical user interface. And OS means operating system. OS full form is operating system. And Wi-Fi means wireless friendly. Okay, next PC means personal computer. PC full form your personal computer. And DOS disk operating system. Okay, DOS disk operating system. The basic beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. Basic. Okay, basic is programming language. Basic programming language here. So basic full form here beginners all purpose symbolic instruction code. And point number 10, bits. Bits means binary digit. Bits means binary digit. Okay, then activity page number 2. Activity page number 2. The first calculating device, answer your abacus. The first calculating device, answer your abacus. And point number 2, the first programmable waving device, Jacquard looms. The first programming waving device, Jacquard loom. And next, Harman design punch card. ठीक है, Holarth design punch card. And next, fourth, the first programmable electronic computer, ENIAC, ENIAC, ENIAC. And fifth and sixth is skip. Okay, then 7, IBM design machine use IBM 3896 to store information in banking. IBM design machine using IBM 3896 to store information in banking. And point number 8, the first network ARPANET. ARPANET, the first network. Okay, next activity page number 10. Page number 10. Okay, which generation of computer use vacuum tube? which generation of computer use vacuum tube? To answer your first generation. Okay. Next point number 2, which generation of computer use transistor? So second generation. Your answer is second generation of computer use transistor. Okay. Next third, in which generation is high level language were developed? Second generation high level language were developed. Okay. Next, which generation of computer use integrated circuit? So third generation of computer use integrated circuit. And point number 5, which generation of computer use microprocessor? So four generation computer use microprocessor. Right answer, your fourth generation. Okay. Point number 6, name a few devices at your home which used computers. So phone, microwave, washing machine, and printer, smart watch. Clear? Home which use computers. Clear? Phones, microwave, washing machine, printer, smart watch. Okay. Your next activity, page number 10. Your next activity, page number 10. List the unique hardware and software characterized for each generation. So first generation hardware used in vacuum tube and evaluation software machining language. And second generation evaluation of hardware transistor software use batch processing system. And third generation integrated circuit software use time sharing operating system. Okay. Fourth generation hardware use microprocessor, and software use is GUI, means graphical user interface basic operating system. And fifth generation superconductor hardware. And next, your software use nature language input. Okay. Thank you.
Good evening, student. Today start chapter number 7, basics of internet. Important points. Point number 1, www stand for World Wide Web. Okay, www stand for World Wide Web. And point number 2, HTML is a language. HTML is a language used to create documents on World Wide Web. Okay, HTML is a language used to create documents on World Wide Web. Okay, and point number 3, network, a collection of interconnected computer which are allowed to share hardware and hardware resources. Okay, a collections of interconnected computer which are allowed to share hardware and software resources. Okay, next point number 4, Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee is the father of World Wide Web. Okay, Tim Berners-Lee is the father of World Wide Web. And point number 5, a web browser acts as interface. A web browser acts as an interface between the web server and the World Wide Web. Okay. Point number 5, a web browser acts as an interface between the web server and World Wide Web. Okay. Point number 6, a website is a collection of related web pages. What is website? A website is a collection of related web pages. Point number 6. And point number 7, home page is the first page of a website. Home page is the first page of a website. It just shown the link to another document stored in the website. Okay, home page is the first page of a website, the showing the link to the other document stored in the website. Okay, point number 8, informational website is link online encyclopedia. Example, www.wikipedia.org, your informational website. Okay. Point number 9, search engine website. Search engine website through the internet searching document and file. Example, www.google.com, your google.com, your search engine website. Okay, famous website, your www.google.com. And point number 10, statics means a web page which all the information is presented to the user exactly as it is stored. Okay, static means Statics website means a web pages in which all the informations is presented to the user exactly as it is stored. Okay, point number 11, HTTP. HTTP full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. These are a set of rules for transferring files, text, graphics, image, sound, video, and other multimedia files on World Wide Web. HTTP full form is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. These are a set of rules for transferring files, text, graphics, image, sound, video, and other multimedia files on World Wide Web. Okay, and next your blog. What is a blog? Point number 12. A blog is discuss or information site. A blog is discuss or information site. Okay, point number 3, social networking website is social networking websites is Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, and Google Plus. Facebook, your famous social networking site. Okay, next, www is collection of different type of documents formatting in a special type of markup language called HTML. HTML full form here, hypertext markup language. Hypertext markup language. Clear? Next, e-commerce website. E-commerce website. E-commerce. These websites are used to sell product online. Example, www.flipkart.com. Okay, commercial website. These websites are used to sell product online. Example, www.flipkart.com. Okay, number 16, educational website. These websites are owned by educational institute. Example, our school website is www.davbhilai.org. www.davbhilai.org, our school website. Here, educational website. Clear? And point number 17, dynamic web page randomly change according to time, accessing and interaction by the user. Okay, dynamic web page randomly change according to time, accessing and the intersection by the user. Okay, and point number 18, every website is accessed by its own internet address called a web address or URL. Clear? Every website is accessed by its own internet address called a web address. Okay, and point number 19, now personal blog. Personal blog. It includes blog about the personal topic like family, music, traveling, and etc. Okay, traveling, health, etc. Personal blog is include blogs about the personal topic like family, music, traveling, health, and etc. And point number 20, corporate blog. The blog that are created by a company for marketing, branching of their product. Okay. Corporate blog, the blog that are created by a company for marketing and branding of their products. And media blog, these blogs are related to news, politics, music, movies, and media personalities. Okay, and a video blog. A blog consists of video is called vblog. Okay, a blog consists of video is called vblog. A blog, next point number 23, a blog consisting of photo is called photo blog. A blog consisting photos is called a photo blog. And blog comparing link is called a link log. Okay, blog comparing link is called a link log. Okay, next, bloggability. What is bloggability? A blog of the celebrity of the famous personality. A blogs of the celebrity of the famous personality is called bloggability. Okay, a blogs of the celebrity of the famous personality called a bloggability. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Good evening, student. Today start chapter number 8, Internet and Web Services. Says important point. Okay, important point. Number 1, service provider is company which allow its subscriber access the internet. Okay, service provider is a company. Service provider is a company which allow its subscriber access the internet. Point number 2, a news group. A news group is a platform where the user can be discuss and share this viewer about the particular subject. What is news group? A news group is a platform where user can discuss and share their viewers about a particular subject. At point number 3, e-commerce. E-commerce full form is electronic commerce, is a buying and selling of goods and services. E-commerce is electronic commerce, is the buying and selling of goods and services. And point number 4, e-reservation. E-reservation system is an online reservation. Okay, e-reservation system is online reservation. Okay, next, e-learning. E-learning can be used area where there is no school or colleges. Okay, e-learning can be used in area where there is no school and colleges. Okay, and number 6, a email server hold the message from a personal until he retrieve it. Okay, next, point number 7, email is the system. Email is system of receiving. Email is system of receiving, sending and storing message. Email is system of receiving, sending and storing message. And electronic chat. E-chat means electronic chat refer to any kind of communication. Electronic chat refer to any kind of communication between two and more people over the internet. Point number 8, electronic chat refer to any kind of communication between two and more people over the internet. Okay, and point number 9, internet service provider company name is Reliance, Jio, Airtel, Idea Cellular and BSNL. BSNL full form is Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. Okay, and point number 10, video conferencing. By video conferencing allow user to different locations to hold face-to-face meeting without having to move single location. Okay, video conferencing. Next, thank you.